Hello everyone, this is the continuation of the previous video. So there I told you how to make PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT, which is already there in the add-ins. Microsoft 365 has incorporated many of the add-ins which you can use it and make your PowerPoint presentation in fraction of seconds actually. After that, if a teacher is struggling with conducting quiz, then now it has become very easy with Quizzizz app. So I usually recommend the teachers to use Quizzizz app. It is very easy nowadays. So how to do that? So just click on create a quiz. It will ask you like this, what would you like to create? See, there are four options given here: create from scratch, convert URL to quiz, upload a document, generate from text. So it is up to you how you want to create the quiz. So since I have so many PPTs already made, so I'm going to upload a document and convert that PPT into a quiz. So let us see how it is done. So just click on upload the document, browse the document which you want to make. So since I've already made so many PPTs, so I'm clicking on this particular one. It will take few seconds. So then generate the questions. So it will extract the content, generate questions from the file which we have already uploaded here. So it is quick and easy. You need not sit and type and do everything. Now AI is going to rule the online teaching department. So see here, so all the quizzes have been generated. It has created in the form of a multiple choice question. If you want to edit few things, you can edit it. You can check each and every question what you have, what it has done and given to you. So hope this video was useful for the teachers to make your teaching and learning gamified. Thank you.